Welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Dear viewers, in front of me Google Pixel tablet device, and now I'm gonna show you how to clear up cache and data on this device. For example, I wanna clear Google Chrome cache and data. How can I do it? To do it, we need to open the settings, then click apps, scroll down, find see all apps. Here find Chrome, click on it. Then scroll down, find your storage and cache, and click clear cache if you want to clear the cache, or you can click manage space. And here you can click clear all data and go. That's it. Then click clear cache, and now I have cleared the cache too. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.